Was ist los, mein Freunde? Ich bin Kwikpanik, and I'm back in gear, don't you have no fear. Today's episode is Pokemon flavored, and if you couldn't tell from the intro, we got some German booster packs. And I was in Europe a couple weeks ago. Got like fistfuls of packs. I bought packs wherever I could find them. I was really hoping that I could find some hidden legends, hidden fates rather, and they were sold out everywhere. And I didn't know enough German to ask for separate pack arts, so I just got what I was given. So I picked up some Unified Minds, which I really wanted to open more of this set, and if I could get something in German worth grading, that'd be really cool. But I also picked up, they had tons of Burning Shadows, and it'd be really cool if we pulled Charizard in German. I wouldn't even be mad. So we got 4 of each of those, 4 Burning Shadows and 4 Unified Minds, and then we got 2 more Burning Shadows along with Guardians Rising. So if we got a Lele out of that, that'd be kind of cool. But I'm going to start with these. It's really weird in Germany. Everywhere I went for cards, oh, that's really loud. Had them in these weird blister packs where it's 2 packs together and they were sealed in plastic. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to start with Guardians. That's Guardians Rising, right? I'm pretty sure it is. I don't know how code cards work because I don't use them, and I don't think that color means anything. But there's a code card if you can even use that. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's psychic. It's psychic. Not ghost. And certainly not poison. We have ourselves... Gothita? Okay. This is gonna be a test. We got Sableye. We got ourselves some sort of spray. We have ourselves a very adorable... Why can't I say Snorunt? Pancham. His name is Pam Pam? Oh my goodness. We got a Barrel Sprout, Knofensa. We got Cottony, Vaumbol. Our Carvana is Canivana. Alolan Golem, Alola Geovas, and the rare. Oh, we got a holo, Minior, Meteno. Okay, I've never even seen that card. I didn't know that came as a holo. All right, cool. So that was scary. Why? It's Gothita, right? Why can't I remember her name? Gothitelle. Okay. Well, that's embarrassing. Next up, we have Burning Shadows. Let's see what we got in here. Tungala. There's your code card. I really don't know if the color of the code card means anything in Europe. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's water. It's not ice. All right, we got ourselves Porygon 2, also known in German as Porygon 2. Or 2. We got this place. Oh, we got... What? Zverklop? Dusclops' name is Zverklop. That's amazing. We got Tangela. We got a Rhyhorn, who is just Rhyhorn. We got Riolu. Got ourselves a Cutiefly, also known as Vomel. We got ourselves a Tynamo named as Zaplardin. That's amazing. We have a Kingdra named as Seadra King. And the rare is an Azumarill, also named as Azumarill. Put that over that. Zverklop? Was that his name? I'm going to open this one, just get it out of the way. And then we can get to the wonderful Unified Minds. Gosh. You know, back in my day, at the drop of a hat, could have named any Pokemon, told you what level it evolved. I'm slipping, man. I'm excited for Sword and Shield to get me back in shape. I really am. Gligar? What you doing here, Gligar? What's your name in German? Skorgla? Here is your... I'm a professional. Here's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's water. This energy's water. Here is, it looks like some sort of energy lottery. What is that? Water Patch? Gelatropo? Okay, Vanillish. Vanillux. Vanillite. Vanillux. Vanillish? Vanillish. We got Skorgla, the Gligar. We got Gelatini, the, come on, Vanillite. We got this. We got Pampuli, the Mudbray. Molunk? Salandit. Calm down. We got Veloursi, the Stuffle. We have Knofenza as our reverse in the rare. Oh, we got Chandelure, also known as Scalabra. That's a cool looking holo. I like that. These names, man. Okay, so in some languages, it's like, oh, you just say it the same exact way. In German, what the heck are they doing? They're like, hey, these are the names we recommend. They're like, no, we can do this our own way. Okay? All right. Jeez. Where does this go? There we go. There's your code card. Blah, 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 blah. There it is. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It is grass. Don't you dare say leaf. We got ourselves Ribombi, also known as Bendelby. Whew. His name's just Chris. What's his name? Sophocles. We got, ooh, that looks cool. Vipitis, the Seviper. We got ourselves Caradonis, the Sock. We got Miralpla, the Oddish. Charmander's name is Glumanda. We got Emerald. We got Vegamac, the Pan Sage. We have a reverse this place, and the rare is Topsy-Turvy. Topsy-Turvy, you know, Topsy-Turvy. Malamar. His name doesn't make sense. It's okay to not remember him. All right, let's get into these packs. We got, we've done a lot of Burning Shadows, so let's do some Unified Minds. You ready? We're going to pull something good. I can smell it. Maybe. Also, the lady who helped me get these was not very nice, so I deserve something good. Can we just, there we go, code card. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's electric, not lightning. There's no lightning type. We got a Munchlax. We got a Reset Stamp. Zaplalek. The names on this are just, okay, electric. We got Cottony. We got Fomantis. We got ourselves a Sewaddle. Strawwickle. You just can't put that many consonants in a row. We got Marini. Garstella. We got Lictor, the little Litwick. We have a reverse Bugcatcher in the rare. Oh! We got a secret rare? I don't even know what it is. Gigabomb? Okay. All right, we got it. See, I told you we'd get something cool. Let me get my penny sleeve out here. Giga Bomb. All right. Well, that's pretty cool. We'll put that off to the side. It would have been cooler if it was a Pokemon, but... All right, Burning Shadows is up next. All right, we have a code card right here. Let me know if those work for you guys. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fighting. It's not rock. It's not ground. We got Sophocles again. Seviper. We got Pia. Araqua. Nid. We got ourselves an Inkay. Aralts. We have Crabrawler. And then Schneasel, also known as Schneebel. We got Knurfish. Bruxish. And the rare is really a letdown. It's going to be okay. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Oh, I'm just going to boop everything. All right, next up, Unified Minds. Hupsit! Look at that, Muna. Okay, all the code cards are backwards on all these, I think. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's dark. It's dark. Delmise! I mean, Moruda! We got ourselves a Cresselia, also known as Cresselia. Dragoneer. Muna. Pika! We got ourselves a Lickitung. Oh, no. Look at that name. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Schlurp. Ooh! My girl. We got ourselves a Magmar. We got an Amoonguss. And the rare is a Scrafty. Well, that's okay. That looks like a cool card. I mean, I'm pretty happy that I got a... Oh my gosh, Liepard? What do you evolve from? Why can I not think of anything? I shouldn't record these after a stream. There you go. We got ourselves a code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's water, not ice. All right. We got ourselves another electric. We had a Wobbuffet, also known as Wanganao. And then we got Rollum. Zaplardin. Oh my gosh. Inkay. Leddyba, also known as Leddyba. Then we got ourselves a Raupi. The reverse is Azumarill, and the rare. Azumarill, and the rare is a Butterfree, also known as Schmetbo. My goodness. Okay. All right. Purloin. Goodness, why couldn't I remember Purloin's name? All right, next Unified Minds pack. Can I get a German Umbreon, please? There's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Psychic. Psychic. All right. Noctowl, you look good. Okay. There we go. Noctu. Caracosta. We got Audino. Pika. We got ourselves a... And a Scraggy. Sorry. We got ourselves a Numel. We got another Tynamo. The reverse is Vigoroth. And the rare is Honchkrow. Honchkrow! I mean, we got a Seeker, which is really cool. But I was hoping for a Pokemon. You know? Like, getting that Seeker rare. Good times. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's dark. It's dark. It's Kwikpanik after dark. All right, we got ourselves an escape rope. We have a Soul Rock. Bandleby. The Rabombi. We got Sandy Gas, also known as Sankabu. Tangela. We got Raquanid. We got ourselves an Inkay. And we got Lunatone, reverse, and Lunastein. And the rare is... Oh my gosh, can we stop? Can we stop with all the Mau-Maus? No more Mau-Maus. Unified Minds. Next up, that pack was less than Meowstic. Meowtastic. Meow Esper. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Fairy. We got ourselves another Sableye, Zobyrus. A Lapras. We got a Relicanth. We got Venicrow. Okay, that's a pretty cool name. I didn't even read the Schnepke. Okay, that's cute. Our Drillbur's name is Rotomurf. It's like Smurf. We got a Dwebble, Little Myth. Dusselgur. My gosh, Pidove. We got Finneon as the reverse. And the rare, Zygarde. All right, we're on to our last pack of the opening. So far, this is all we have to show for it. This Giga Bomb, which is, I mean, it's a good pull. Before we get into this last pack and pull the Charizard, obviously, leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content. Subscribe to the channel if you've not already. I bring videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays and Sundays at 4 p.m., 4 p.m., and 12 p.m. Central, respectively. I'd really appreciate your support. It seems like my videos are not... I don't know, they don't have the visibility that they did a couple weeks ago. So if you hit that little bell thing, it tells you when I upload a new video. And I just really appreciate your support. The views give me an idea of whether or not you like my content. So there is your last code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Grass, not Leaf. Okay. We got Tracy. You just changed the names. Metapod. We got a Porygon Spy. We have a Sodamak. We have Caterpie. Porygon. We got another Shock. And Myropla. Okay. The reverse. Rashfrats. And the rare is a Persian. Okay. Well, we tried. We did our best. I appreciate all the support, guys. Here's our booty from all those. And yeah, that's all I got for today. Follow me on Twitch. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Later.